Well, there's a storm a-coming. I guess we gotta find a place to house these turkeys and this goat safely. But they say this one's supposed to be a pretty big one. I think it's a Cat 5 currently. What is the name of that storm? Is it Milton? Last week it was Helene. They had like a Kirk that was in the mix or brewing, but those I think have died off. But we shall see. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Huh? So yeah, wish us well out here in Florida. It's gonna be really interesting to see. It's supposed to hit today is Tuesday. It's supposed to hit Wednesday, tomorrow night sometime overnight. So working on getting a generator right now and stuff like that. So yeah, we will see what happens. Again, wish us well. Thanks.